Good morning, everyone. So today in this class, we are going to start with the calculation of steel. That is also mentioned in your syllabus. They will be giving the cross section like this. Okay, na? My voice and this video is clear for you, everyone. My audio
Yes,
and
sir.
video is
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good, very good. They are going to give the cross section of beam, the cross section of slab, the cross section of footing. They are going to give, and they are going to give the details like this. And you need to calculate the steel quantity as well as RCC quantity, like that they are going to give. Now, before going to that one, you need to understand this type of calculations first. This type of calculations, where it is. One second. Huh. This type of calculation. Let us say it is a straight bar. Okay, na? Somehow it is bent like this. It is not. It is called as hook. It is called as hook. Generally, for this type of length, this straight length, it is going to be added with this hook, this hook. By thumb rule, it is 9 of 5 plus 9 of 5. That means 18 5 extra you need to add. What is 5 here? What is 5? 5 is the diameter of the bar. 5 is the diameter of the bar. Suppose like this it is given, and in a cross section of a beam, let us say it is given like this. So what you need to do? You need to add this and you need to add this portion. You need to add this portion. To add this portion, 9 5 here, 9 5 that side. So total it will be 18 5. 18 5 will be the length of hook bar, length of hook bar, hooked length of bar. Thumb rule 18 5. What is L? L is the straight length. L is the straight length. Okay, na? First point is clear. Now, in a beam, you have seen, no, like this, the bars will be bent up like this at the end. Wherever intersection of beam and column is there, or wherever two beams are there, wherever slabs are there, the bars will be bent up like this, correct, na? So, in that case, how to find out that distance? How to find out that distance?
Yes, sir.
So here, this distance is generally given by 0.42d. It is generally given by 0.42d, this distance. What is d now? That is important. D is this distance. D is this distance. How to, where is that actually distance? Suppose I draw a cross section like this. Okay, na? Suppose I draw a cross section like this. There will be 4 bars like this. There will be 4 bars. Let us assume there will be 4 bars. D is that distance from center of this point to the center of this point. Are you understanding? Center of this point to the center of this point is D here. Is D here. So how to get this D? You have to minus this total, no? You have the total depth of the beam. You have total depth of the beam. Okay, na? In that total depth of the beam, you need to minus this clear cover. You need to minus this clear cover. You need to minus half of the dia. You need to minus half of the dia. Is it understood? So in the total depth of the beam, if you minus one side clearance plus another side clearance, minus this half of the dia, minus this half of the dia. So what distance you will get? You will get the distance between this center of the bar to this center of the bar. That is nothing but your D. That is nothing but your D. Is that okay? Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is clear
Yes,
this
sir.
point.
Sir.
Okay. Huh. So now one side 0.42d, another 0.42d, another side 0.42d. So this straight distance plus this distance plus this distance, you need to multiply. You need to multiply. Is that okay? If the bar is cranked, you should calculate the distance like this. Should calculate the distance like this. So this is the calculation. I have given the final formula. Don't worry about all those things. Okay. How they have calculated. Okay. So what they have done. So suppose this is a cranked or inclined bar. This is the center to center of that bar. This is also D. So sine 45 is D by X. So X equal to 1.414D. Okay. Now like that they are going to do. Simply. Okay, na? So at the end, they are going to get to 0.42D only. They are going to get 0.42D. So two sides cranks are there. So that is why you are multiplying with 2 times 0.42D. That is second case. One is hooked length, second is cranked length. Now, how to calculate the length of stirrups? How to calculate the length of stirrups? See here, A and B are given. What is A and B? Center of this bar to the center of this bar. How you have done for calculation of D, no, in the previous case. So same thing in the horizontal direction, that is also mentioned. Center of this bar to the center of this bar, that is in one direction. Here also center of this bar to center of this bar, that is nothing but your small d only. Other note, what is that? No, alphabets they are using. Don't worry. At the end, you need to calculate the distance. That's all. Okay, na? So one side A, one side B. So 2A, 2B. That means one full perimeter. So 2 times A of B plus this. What is this? This curved portion is there. No. For that you need to add a 24 times 5. For that you need to add 24 5. So where is A in the given cross section? Where is A in the given cross section? Remember, center to center. Center to center is this. Okay, na? So that is your A. So to get A, what you need to do in the total width? You need to minus this cover, you need to minus this cover and minus half of the dia and minus half of the dia. So that left out portion is A. So that left out portion is A. So minus half, they will take one dia simply. Here, one cover, two cover. So they will take 2 times the cover directly in the calculation. Okay, na? Similarly, for calculation of this vertical center to center B, what they are doing? What they are doing in the total depth of the beam, in the total depth of the beam, one cover is minus, another cover is minus, half of the dia minus, half of the dia minus. So you will get what? Center to center distance B. Center to center distance B. Okay, na? So this is same as small d only, which we have calculated in the cranking length. Is that clear? These 3 points. Everyone, I am asking.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will solve one example. We will solve one example. You will understand. Okay, na? 1 second. Huh? I will take example 2 because example 1 in this case is they have done wrong. Here they have done somewhat wrong. So first we will go to the example 2. There we are going to see. Final table. How to write the calculation of steel? You need to understand first. The final calculation will be in this format only. First column will be bottom bar, top bar, their dias, cranked bar, stirrups, like that they are going to write. In the next, they are going to mention the dia. Okay, na? In the third, how many numbers are there? How many numbers are there? Fourth is what you have calculated length. In the fourth column, what you have calculated the length. Now, the last one is weight per unit meter. So for that formula, everyone knows that how to calculate the weight. 5 square by 162.2. This is the standard rule. 5 square by 162.2. Wherever you substitute 5, no, if it is 25 mm dia, you substitute 25 here. So you will get what? 3.85 kg per meter. 2.85 kg per meter you are going to get. So like that, for substitution of different things, you are going to get the different unit weights. Now, if you see in this diagram, what actually we are going to solve. So here, the hook bars are not provided here. In the previous case, previous example, hook bars were there. We are taking it one later. But in this example, hooks are not provided, but they are straightly bent. So that adding of 9.5 plus 9.5 is not here. Okay, na? Is not here. Now, read the problem. Figure A and B shows the typical details of a RCC beam longitudinal section. Calculate the steel required for the beam diameter wise from the details given below. So they have also given the unit weight. You don't need to calculate. 8 mm, 16 mm, 10 mm, like that. They have also already given. Apart from that, can you read this diagram? They have given, first I will go cross section of the beam first, cross section of the beam. So here in the cross section, where you will see it here. You will see here in this diagram, cross section of the beam. So width of the beam 230. Width of the beam is given as 230. Depth of the beam is given as 600. 600 by 230. 600 by 230. Okay, now. So that diagram is not mentioned here. So you should understand it is a 600. It is 600. Okay, now. Now, from the top, how many bars are there? If you see at the support section, there are only 3 bars. If you take a cross section and if you see it, you will only see 3 bars. In that 3 bars, 2 are 16 mm, 1 is 12 mm. Means what? Here if you see, you will get 3 bars. Here you will see, you will get 3 bars. But if you take the center section at the mid section, how many bars will be there? These 3 will be there. Along with that, another 3 of 20 mm they have given. Another 3 numbers of 20 mm they have given. So how many bars are there now in the middle section? In the middle section? Can anyone tell me?
6.
6 bars are there. Now this 2 bars of 16 mm and 1 bar of 12 mm are through from this end to this end. They are present. Okay, but this between 3 bars of 20 mm dia are only 3 meter long. Are only 3 meter long. Only here they have provided. So similarly, when you see at the bottom, at the, where is that cursor? At the bottom of the bars, at the support section, again you have 3 bars. How many bars are there? 3. 2 of 20, 1 of 16. But when you see again at the middle section, again if you take the middle section, how many bars are there now? Here extra 3 bars of 25 they have given. Extra 3 bars of 25 they have given. How many bars are there now in the bottom?
6.
Everyone, it is clear. 6 bars are there. Okay. So the middle section is given. Now if you see this one, there are 6 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that small 3 of 20 are in the middle section, which are 3 meter length. These are from end to, it will travel from one end to another end. 2 of 16, 1 of 12. Similarly, at the bottom of the bar, throughout length bars are 2 of 20, 1 of 16. Only 4.5 meter length are there, no? 4.5. So that length are 3 numbers of 25 mm. 3 bars of 25 mm. Is that clear now? Is that clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. So in the table, how many types of bars they should be writing? Okay, now for bottom, this bar, this bar, this bar. Correct? 3 bars. For top, this bar means this bar, this bar, this bar. Okay, now plus stirrups, they also should be written. Yes or no? So in the table, you should see all these things. So let us go to the table, how they have written. Can you see this one? Can you see? Bottom bar 20 mm, 16 mm, 2, 1. Okay, na? Again, bottom bar, which are 3 numbers of 25, they are also written. Top bar 2 of 16, 1 of 12. Top extra bar 20 mm dia, 3 numbers. Stirrups we need to calculate. Which are 8 mm. The table format is clear for everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Table format is clear. Just remember now, we are going to calculate the bottom bar, which are 20 mm and 16 mm, same length. How this 8.5 is there? How this 8.5 is there? We are going to see now. We are going to see. Okay. Now in this one, one second. Little, shall I do a little bit enlarge to 50%? Now, is it more clear for everyone? Okay. Okay. Now, can you see this total 7.65 is there, correct? 7.65 is there. Okay. You assume width of the wall as 500. Width of the wall as 500. Whether they have given? Why assumption? Directly they have given. Yes or no? This is given, no? This width of support. You have given. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Width they have given. Now, see here, how I will calculate. First, I will calculate from here to here, total. Correct? From here to here, I will calculate. In that, I will minus this cover and I will minus this cover. Okay, na? Later on, I will add this bent up portion. And later on, I will add this bent up portion. Yes or no? Shall we do in that portion?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now take a pen and paper. Calculate now. 7.65 is center to center. Now here 0.5 by 2. Here 0.5 by 2. How much? 1.5 you need to add. 1 times you need to add 0.5. So how much it is coming?
$8.15, sir.
Okay, 8.15. Now 8.15, in that you need to minus this. You need to minus this. Cover they have not given. Assume 25 mm cover. Assume 25 mm cover. So you need to minus this and this. So minus 2 times 25. Yes, sir. No, sir.
8.1, sir.
8.1. In that 8.1, we need to add this bent up bar. How much is this length? 0.2 here, 0.2 here. So 8.1 plus 0.2, 0.2. How much it is coming?
8.5, sir.
8.5. Correct, na? So in the table, what they have given? In the table, what they have given? We have seen, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What value they have given in the table? Can you see here? 8.5. 8.5. Is that okay? Okay. So that calculation they have written like this. That calculation they have written like this. Outer to outer plus, sorry, center to center. Okay. Plus half of the width minus 2 times cover plus 2 times bent up. Plus 2 times bent ups, which is 8.5. What we have obtained. What we have obtained. Yes or no? Yes, or
sir.
no, Bob? Please answer, Baba. Answer, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so many times. Okay, I will get confused whether you have understood or not. Okay, please answer whenever I will tell no whether you have understood or not. So here, this is 8.5, 3 bars. Top also same, na? This top 3 bars are there, no? From starting to starting. These are also same. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So for that also 8.5. Now for this cut length 3 meter directly you can take. For this cut length you can directly take 4.5. Directly take you can 4.5. Only remaining is now stirrups. Only remaining portion is now stirrups. Okay now. So now stirrups, here 3 types of stirrups they have given. So two-legged at 100 mm center to center 1.5 meter. Two-legged 8 mm dia at 100 mm center to center 1.5 they have directly given. Now in this central portion 2-leg 8 mm dia at 150 mm center to center, which is a larger spacing, but they have not given the distance. They have not given the distance. Can you calculate this distance? How? 7.65 minus 0.5 by 2 minus 0.5 by 2 minus 1.5 minus 1.5. How much?
4.15, sir.
4.15.
Just write it one side. Just write it one side. Okay, na? Always remember number of stirrups. How they calculated number of stirrups is how much length. Suppose the stirrups are given like this. So number of stirrups is equal to this total length divided by spacing plus 1. I think you have done this example in your 5th semester RCC. Okay. Yes or no? The total distance divided by the spacing plus 1 is the standard formula for number of stirrups. Standard formula for number of stirrups. Suppose, how many stirrups will come in this portion? How many stirrups will come in this portion? 1.5 divided by 100. Sorry, both should be taken in mm only or in meter only. No problem. Both should be taken in mm or in meter. So 1500 divided by 100 plus 1. How much?
16.
16. So here also 16 stirrups will come. Here also 16 stirrups will come. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
16.
Yes, sir. 16.
Sir, 16, sir.
Plus 1. Sorry. Plus 1 you don't add because plus 1 should be added for all this at only once. ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಬರೇ 1500 by 100 ಅಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ?
15, sir.
15. This 15 plus this 15. Okay na? This 15 plus this 15. Now what is this distance? 4.1 na?
4.15.
4.15 means 4150 divided by 150. How much?
27.66.
Okay. 15 plus 27.66 plus 15. How many?
57.6.
57.66.
Plus 1 you need to add, na? Plus 1 you need to add. 58.1. 58.1. Okay, na? So what they have calculated here? Yes or no? Can you see on this one?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this calculation? They have done like this. Ours is also same portion only, but we have using the diagram we have calculated. Clear this point? Number of stirrups.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming to this length of the stirrup, we need to add length also. No, length ka formula you already know. 2 times a of b in plus 24 of 5. Now what is a, what is b, you know, correct? In the last diagram I have shown, no? If this is a cross section, there is one bar, there is another bar. Center to center of this bar is a. How to get this? Total width minus this clearance minus half of the bar minus half of the bar. Correct? You will get a. So that a they have written it like this. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see here. For a they have written this is width, total width. What I have marked here, this is total width. 1 cover, 2 cover. So there are 2 covers. No, they have assumed 25 mm cover. So they have given 2 covers. Half of the dia. So 8 mm is the one dia. They are going to minus that dia. Okay, na? So answer is 172. Similarly, in the vertical direction, how to get this center to center? So the total depth is 600. Total depth is 600. In that 1 minus 25, another minus 25. That is what they have written. 600 minus 1 times 25, 2 times 25, that is 225. Again, 1 of the dia. So they are getting 542. So this 172, 542 are A and B. Substitute here A and B. 24 times 5 is nothing but 8. Okay, na? This one, you are going to get it as 1620. So that is nothing but 1.62 meters. 1.62 meters. Is that clear calculation?
Yes, sir.
For everyone it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Others,
Sir.
what happened? You're quite silent, very silent. Sandesh Manna.
Yes, sir. Understanding.
Okay.
Sir, clear, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay. Very careful. Now, whatever you have calculated, no, they have written it in the tabular form. Tabular form. Okay, na? So, bottom bars, how many dias were there? 20, 16 were there. Two numbers were there. One number were there. 8.5, 8.5. Unit weight they have given. If they have given, very good. Otherwise, the pi square divided by 162.2, you will get the weight in kg per meter. So once you get this one, so which one you need to multiply? Numbers into length into weight per. So you are going to get 42.50. 42.50. Similarly, it is done for others. 16 mm, 1 bar, 8.5, 1.6. All these things we have calculated na, initially. Okay. So here for stirrups, just now we have calculated, na, just now. So 59 numbers were there, which are 8 mm dia, and the length also we have just now calculated 1.62, and its unit weight is 0.4. So multiplying these three numbers, so you are going to get 38.23 kgs. 38.23 kgs. Once you add all these things, you will get the total weight. You will get the total weight of the beam, total weight of the steel in beam, total weight of the steel in beam. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is RCC quantity? Can anyone tell me? Length, width, breadth. Three things you need to add, multiply. Length of, sorry, quantity of RCC. Cross section is 600 by 230. Okay, na? Length from this to this 7.65 plus 0.5 by 2 plus 0.5 by 2. So that is your total length of the beam into the cross sectional dimension. So that will be your RCC quantity. How much?
8.15.
6 point?
8.1. 8.15.
8.15.
Cubic meter. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. RCC quantity is L into B into D. Okay, that's all. That is the quantity. Now we will go to the first problem. In that some mistakes are there. In that some mistakes are there. I will tell where are the mistakes. I will tell where are the mistakes. Now this is the problem they have given. Okay, work out the quantity M20. Reinforcement also you should calculate. Clear span they have given 4 meter. Okay, bearing they have given 230. 230, this is the support, no, that is the 230 they have given. Okay, size of beam 300 by 500. Reinforcement 4 bars of 25. 4 bars of 25. Hanger bars which will be at the top. 2 bars of, sorry, where is that? 2 bars of 12 mm. 2 bars of 12 mm. Now stirrups 10 mm diameter at 200 mm center to center directly they have given. 10 mm bars at 10 mm bars at 200 mm center to center they have given. Now in the diagram, very important observation. What is that observation? In the text they have given 4 bars of 25. Those things they have marked here. 4 bars of 25 they have marked here. But here also they are writing what is this 2 bars of 25? Why it is like that? I will explain. See here, 4 bars of 25 are there. No, in that 2 bars are taken straight to the edges. Out of 4 numbers, 2 bars are taken to the edges. The other 2 are cranked like this. Other 2 bars are cranked like this. Are you understanding this point? Out of 4 bars of 25, 2 bars are straight. 2 bars are straight from one end to another end. But the remaining 2 are cranked like this. Remaining 2 are cranked like this from the edge, from the center. Okay, na? So like that you need to understand. Like that you need to understand. Is that okay? So how many types of bars you should write it in column? Bottom bar straight, bottom bars cranked, top bars and stirrup. 4 rows will come. Clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
4 rows. Can you see here 4 rows? Bottom bars which are straight, top bars which are straight, bottom or top which are cranked or bent up, and stirrups. Okay na? Can you see here bottom bars 25, 2 numbers. Yes or no? Cranked bar is also 25 and 2 numbers. There is no 4 number of 25. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ಸಕತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೂ 4 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ, ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದೊಳಗೂ 4 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ 25 are straight which are there here, another 25 are cranked which have been written in the third. The remaining top bars 12 mm 2 and stirrups we are going to calculate. Okay na? All these values, I think these are wrong. For me it is wrong. Okay na? How I will tell. Now coming back to the diagram, how to calculate this one. Length of top bar. First we are going to calculate the length of top bar. No, first we are going to calculate the quantity of concrete. You can directly multiply, no? L into B into D. L is outer to outer, 4 plus 2.23 plus 0.23, 4.46 into cross section 300 by 500. What is the answer?
0.667.
0. In the book also they have given 0.669. Okay, yes, it is correct, no problem. Okay, coming back to the top bars which are hanger bars. How I should calculate? As usual, first I will take outer to outer. In that I will minus this cover. Cover we are going to assume 25 only. And we need to add this 9.5 and this 9.5. We need to add this 9.5 and this 9 times 5. We have seen in the beginning, no? Here, hooked. This hooked. Yes or no? Yes. 9.5 plus 9.5. This is straight length. So directly you can multiply 18.5. Okay na? So now in this one, can you calculate? First outer to outer. How much outer to outer? 4.46. In that minus this cover and you minus this cover. Okay na? Minus this cover. And plus 9.5 plus 9.5. 5 is the diameter of the bar. How much?
Sir, 4.62.
4.62. Okay. For others?
4.60.
Okay, good, no problem. So that is the top bar. Similarly, that is also same for bottom bar, sir?
Yes,
no,
sir.
No. Why? Because here 5 you are taken 12, but here 5 you have to take 25. Whether my voice is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very clear or medium clear?
Sir, full clear.
Full clear, huh? Okay. Have anyone checked the videos where my voice, how it is audible there for you people in the video, recorded videos?
So it is clear.
Okay, okay. In recorded videos also it is clear, na? Okay.
Sir, bottom bar 4.86.
Very good. Bottom bars 4.86. Correct. That is also same thing given in the book. Okay. Now, okay. Shall we go to the cranked bar? Reply, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Na? For cranked bars, the total whatever you have taken, whatever just now you have taken 4.86, you need to add 4.86 is the answer, no? Just now. 1 second. 4.86 you have added. You need to add what? 0.48D and 0.48D. So that means 2 times 0.48D. 2 times 0.48D. Is that okay? Because the same bars is there, no? The same bars extra this length you need to add. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Just now we have calculated 25 mm. For that, which are straight, for that the length is 4.86. Correct? For the same, if you add this inclined, you will get cranked bar length. You will get cranked bar length, which are also 25 mm only. For that, you need to add 0.48D, 0.48D. That is nothing but 2 times 0.48D. That is nothing but 2 times 0.48D. Okay, now what is D? Okay, you need to go to the
Sir,
cross section.
0.48, sir.
ಅದು ನಿನಗೆ ಆಗಲೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅದ.
Sir, ಅದು 0.42 ಐತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಾರಿ 0.42 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ರಂಗನಾಥ್ ಸರ್, ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಬಾಬಾ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೈ ಹೀರೋ ಬಾಬಾ. Okay, so okay, this is 0.42. Very good observation, Ranganath. Okay, so 2 times 0.42D. 0.42D. So D is what? Center to center. So how to get center to center? Total depth minus this cover. How much cover you want to take? Take the cover as 25 mm. Take the cover as 25 mm. 25 mm. Okay na? And again you need to minus the dia of this bar and minus half of the dia of this bar. Dia of this bar is how much? Top dia
12 mm, sir.
12
mm. 12 mm. Bottom dia
25.
25.
okay na? So half of 12 minus and again minus 25 cover, minus 25 cover. So all are minus
432, sir.
432.
32. 0.432.
1 second. Wait.
Sir.
And stirrups dia also you should minus. Stirrup dia minus 2. Stirrup dia, because on this stirrups are also coming na. Okay, so stirrup dia here is 10 and here is also 10. Okay,
Four one two
412
mm, sir.
very good. 412 mm. So that is your D. That is your D. So 2 into 0.42 into D plus your 4.86.
5.03, sir.
5.03. Okay, no problem. That is your answer. 3 bars have been completed. 3 bars have been completed. Now coming to the stirrups. Coming to the stirrups. Calculate the number of stirrups. Very simple. Very simple. How to calculate the number of stirrups? Total length is 4.46. Minus this one. Minus this and minus this. Number of stirrups is equal to distance or length divided by spacing plus 1. Correct? So this length what we should take from here to here. From here to here. So how to take that one? This
41.
4.46 outer to outer minus 25 minus 25. How much?
4.41.
4.41.
4.41 divided by its spacing. How much it is the spacing? 200 plus 1 plus 1.
23.
23 point
05.
correct. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Yes or no? Everyone is getting the same answer?
Twenty-three.
Very good, very good, very good. You can round it up.
23.05.
Correct, appa, correct. Okay, so they have got number of stirrups as this 23.05. They are rounded up to 24. No problem. The same method we have also done with the same method only, but they have given with the description form. They have given with the description form. Now, as usual, we need to also calculate the length of stirrups. We need to calculate the length of stirrups. So you remember this formula? 2 times A plus B. A is horizontal distance of stirrup, B is vertical distance of stirrup, plus 24 times the dia. Okay, na? So how to calculate A? A is the total width minus this cover minus this cover minus half of the dia minus half of the dia of the stirrup. So how much you are getting?
440.
440? Yes.
Yes.
They are also getting the 440. Similarly for vertical direction, total depth is 500. Okay, na? So total depth is 500. In that half of the cover, minus half of the dia of the stirrups.
240, sir.
Huh? See, vertical will be 440. That is correct. But horizontal width of the beam is 230. No. Width of the beam is 230. Depth of the beam is 500.
170.
170.
170 is this vertical. See, they have done in wrong way. This should be A. This should be B. So that is what a book are wrong. Okay. So horizontal distance is 170. Vertical distance is 440. You substitute it in the formula. 2 times A of B plus 24 dia. So you are going to get as 1.46 meter. 1.46 meter. Okay. How much was the cranked length you got? Cranked length 5.03. 5.03. Very good. Okay. Everybody has completed this step. Answer it, please. Response is important. Everyone is completed with the calculation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Varsha madam, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding the problem?
Yes, sir.
Shubham Malji, Somu Vadeyer, Sunil,
Yes, sir.
Vijay Belvi, Pujari.
Yes, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ?
Yes, sir.
ರೋಹಿತ್, ಸಚಿನ್ ದೇಶಪಾಂಡೆ, ಸಲಾವುದ್ದೀನ್ ಬೆಟಗೇರಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ರಂಜನಾ, ರತನ್ ದೀಪ್, ರಿತಿಕಾ ತಾಳಿಕೋಟೆ, 3 ಜನಕ್ಕೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗುನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡೋನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಿದು? ಪ್ರೇರಣಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ರೋಹಿತ್ ಎಸ್ ಜೆ, ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕುಂತ ಬಿಡ್ತೀಯಪ್ಪ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗೂ ಹಂಗ, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ದಾಗೂ ಹಂಗ, ಹೆಂಗ್ಯಾಕೋ? ನೋಡ, ನಮ್ ಸಂದೇಶ್, ಸಂಕೇತ್, ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್, ಈಟೇಕರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರ ನೋಡೋರ. ನೋಡ, ಕಣ್ ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಕಣ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರಾಗ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೊಂಟಾರ ಹಂಗ. ನೀನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾ, ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವೇರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್, ಹಾ, ಎಸ್. So first calculation 4.86, that is correct. Okay na? Second calculation it should be 4.62. Yes or no? You only told me it is 4.62.
Yes, sir.
Third is 5.03. Third is 5.03. Okay. Fourth is the same, 1.46. The unit weights you can easily calculate by 5 square divided by 162.2. Directly you can substitute it here. So multiplying these three, you will get this. Similarly, all the multiplication you can do. The total answer after adding, you will get 106.6 kg. 106.6 kg. Okay. Any doubts in the problem?
सर यूनिट पर मीटर का फॉर्मूला क्या?
Pi square divided by 162.2. Pi square divided by 162.2. ಅದಪ್ಪ, ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ದಾರ ಅವರು. ಸಂಜು ಮೊದಲು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ದ, ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾನ ನೋಡಿ. ನಂಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಚಲೋ ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ಸಂಜು ಅದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ ಧ್ವನಿ ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ದವ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಮೂಲಿ ಮಗೇನ? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಅವನು ಶಾಣೆ ಅದಾನ ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ. ಟಿವಿ, ಮೊಬೈಲು, ಊಟ, ನಿದ್ದೆ, ಕೆಲಸ ಕಟ್ಟು ನಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳವರು ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು. ನಡೆ ಮುಂದೆ, ನಡೆ ಮುಂದೆ. Can you see this problem? Now they are giving the slab. Okay. So they have given room size. Everyone visible, audible?
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now see here. Room size they have given 5 by 4. It is a two-way slab, 5 by 4. Room size means inside to inside or outside to outside? Or center to center?
Out to out.
Yeah. ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀ ಏನ್ ಮನಿ ಒಳಗಿನ ರೂಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವೋ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವೋ?
ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಸರ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ. ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಆಡ್ ವಾಲ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ 150 mm. ಓಕೆ. ರಿಇನ್ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ 12 mm bars, 150 mm center to center in both directions, and alternate bars are cranked. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ. 10 ಬಾರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 5 ಬಾರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, 5 ಬಾರ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ. Out of if the number of bars you calculated comes out to be 10 numbers, in that 10 numbers alternate bars will be cranked in one direction, in another direction. You remember that point, okay? So in both directions, they are given the same dia. Cover top bottom 25 mm, otherwise you can assume 25. Development length directly they have given 45 dia, 45, 5, no problem. Okay, now you need to add this one in the calculation of the length of the bar. Now can you see in this diagram? So how they have marked? See, very important. This is another basics of RCC is very important here in calculation. Okay, so see here, this is in the longer direction. There will be length like this, but number of bars, how to calculate number of bars in this direction? So there, the length divided by spacing, this length divided by spacing you need to add. Yes or no? I will just tell once again. To calculate the number of bars in longer direction, general formula is the total distance divided by spacing plus 1. This is standard formula. Okay, na? In this total distance, do not take this, the what length you have taken for birth, do not take. Across the length, you should take it here. Across the length, you should take it here. To calculate the number of bars like this, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this, 7 bars are there. So how many bars you want to calculate? So you need to calculate like this. The longer direction bars are calculated by using this distance divided by spacing plus 1. Divided by spacing plus 1. Means what? This length of bar is, numbers are like this. Similarly, to calculation like this. How many bars will come? This distance divided by spacing. This distance divided by spacing plus 1. That is one important point. That is one important point. Okay, na? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Now, how the cranked bars? See, in the table, you will get only 3 bars. 1 bar in longitudinal direction, another bar in another across the direction, and what else? You will get a distribution steel. You will get the distribution steel. Sorry. Wrong concept. Wrongly I told. So, 3 types of bars will come. One in this direction, another in this direction. Okay, na? Which are cranked. Okay. How to explain this one? 1 second. Straight bars in this direction, straight bars in this direction, and what happened? 1 second. One second. Okay. Where is that problem? 224, 225. Okay, here only it is there. Okay, I forgot to tell. Okay, see here. How many bars will come? In longer direction, straight bars, bent up bars. In shorter direction, straight bars, bent up bars. Whether this point is clear, I just wanted to make sure, okay, whether that is there or not. For everyone, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, no, sir. Please reply. I'm sorry for this one delay. Yes, sir, no, sir. Yes, sir or no, sir. Here, distribution bars will not come.
Yes, sir.
In the longer direction, straight bars. In the longer direction, cranked bars. In the shorter direction, straight bars. In the shorter direction, cranked bars. Is that okay? Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Answer. Okay. Now, length of the straight bar in the longer direction. Length of the straight bar in the longer direction is nothing but inside to inside plus one development length plus one development length. Inside to inside plus one development length plus one development length. Development length LD is given by the formula what? 45 times 5. Correct? Yes or no? Reply ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ. Development length is equal to 45 times dia of the bar. 45 times dia of the bar. So, how to calculate this development length of the straight bar? Development length of the straight bar. Inside to inside 5 meter. Correct? Plus 1 LD plus 1 LD. How much it is coming? How much it is coming? Can anyone tell me?
6.08, sir.
Very good. 6.08 meter in the longer direction. In the longer direction. Okay, na? Very good. Now, for the bent up bar, what you need to add? The already calculated length is there, no? 6.08. You need to add what? 0.42D and 0.42D. Correct or not? ಇದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 0.42D and 0.42D ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್. 0.42D. ಈಗ ಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ? ಈಗ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ದೊಳಗೆ 4 ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಕುಂದ್ರಿಸ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಬಾರ್ ಕುಂದ್ರಿಸೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿರ್ತದ? ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಿರಪ್ ಇರ್ತದ. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿರ್ತದ? ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಿರಪ್ ಇರ್ತದ. ಸ್ಟಿರಪ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಾರಿ ಇದು ಬೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನದಪ್ಪ ಡಿಗ? ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನದ ಡಿಗ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ minus one side cover, another side cover, half of the dia, half of the dia. Depth of the beam ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದೊಳಗ 150 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಸೊ 150 minus 25 cover minus 25 cover minus half of the dia minus half of the dia. Dia of the bar is 12 mm directly. 12 mm. All the bars are given 12 mm. So what is D now?
88.
D is 88. Correct? Yes or no? For everyone I am asking. Varsha madam, how much you are getting? Small d?
Yes, sir. 88, sir.
Varsha.
Yes, sir.
You are the Varsha? Okay.
Yes, sir. It's 88, sir.
Okay. Now, Somu Vader, ninge answer ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ? ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಲಾವುದ್ದೀನ್ ಬೇಟಿಗೇರಿ?
88, sir.
88 mm. ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಲಾಂಗರ್ ಬಾರ್ 6.08 ಇತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 0.42D 0.42D ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಲೆಂತ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
6.15.
6.15. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. 6.15. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್ ವೆರಿ
Sir,
ಗುಡ್.
repeat.
ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಹೇಳಿ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು?
ಸರ್
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೆನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಮೈ ವಾಯ್ಸ್?
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ 4 ಟೈಪ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 4 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್. ಲಾಂಗರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಲಾಂಗರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಡ್ ಬಾರ್. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಅದರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಲಾಂಗರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನದ? ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ 5 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 LD ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 LD. LD ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? 45 times 5 given in the question. So once you add that one, 5 plus 45 into diameter plus 45 meter into diameter. Correct? ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 2 times ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಯದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಈಗ ಕೇಳತ್ತಿರಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
सर
5 ಮೀಟರು ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನದ 45 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾರ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 6.08 ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, 6.08 ಬಂತ. ಇದ 6.08 ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಬಾರ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಡ್ ಬಾರ್ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಈ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತಾರ? ಈ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತೈತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.42D. 0.42D. ಈ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗೂ 0.42D ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6.08 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.42D ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.42D ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಡ್ ಬಾರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದ. ಈಗ ಡಿ ಅಂಕಿ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೀಮ್. ಆ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೀಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? ಕವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಕವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ? 88 mm ಬಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದು 88 mm ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ? ಸಲಾವುದ್ದೀನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
Sir, 6.09 ಬರತ್ತೆ.
ಯಾವುದು?
6.15 sir.
6.15 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಡ್ ಬಾರ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಬಾರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ 6.08 ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾ ರೀ ಸರ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಆಗಲೇ ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ನೋ ಸರ್, ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅದಾವಪ್ಪ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ನೋಡುನ. ಈಗ ನೋಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್. ನಮಗ ಈಗ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. 1 2 ಹಿಂಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತೆ ನಮ್ಗ? ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ? ಇದು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ 4 ಮೀಟರ್. ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ 4 ಮೀಟರ್. ಇದು ವಾಲ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ 200 mm, ವಾಲ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ 200 mm. minus half of the cover will give the distance. ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ದಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಬಂದಾವ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಈಗ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ಈಗ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅದಾವ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ದೊಳಗೆ. ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಈ 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಬೋದು? 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.2 ಮೈನಸ್ 0.025 ಮೈನಸ್ 0.025 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
4.35 ಸರ್.
4.35 is the distance. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು mm ದ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 4350 is the length divided by spacing ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟದಪ್ಪ?
150.
150. ಇವೆರಡು ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಲಾಂಗಿಟ್ಯೂಡಿನಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ.
30 ಸರ್.
30 ಬಂತ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್? ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ 30 ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೆಂಟಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 30 ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ 15 ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್, 15 ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಡ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಂಗಿಟ್ಯೂಡಿನಲ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 30. ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ 30, 15 ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ 15 ಆರ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಡ್. ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಓಕೆ? 15 ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್, 15 ಆರ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಡ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್?
Yes sir.
ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನಪದಾಗ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ನಾ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒಳಗ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೀವು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ದಾಗ ಬರೋಣ. ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾರ್ ಇನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 LD ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 another LD ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 times LD. LD is 45 ಡಯ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
508
meter. Correct.
5.08.
Correct. ಈಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿದು ಹೋತಪ್ಪ. ಇಲ್ಲೈತಲ್ಲ ಇದೊಂದು 0.42D, ಇದೊಂದು 0.42D, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 88 ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀದಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಬಾರ್ 5.08, ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಡ್ ಬಾರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.42D ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.42D. Very good. 4.15 is the correct answer. 4.15 is the correct answer. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈಗ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ದಾಗ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟರ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟದಪ್ಪ? ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 5 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 minus 0.025 minus 0.025. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ? This distance we are calculating from here to here. Same. 5 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 minus 0.025 minus 0.025. That is the length.
5350.
5340 is the distance. Spacing divide madri 150.
numbers.
37 correct
Numbers.
37 plus 1 ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಎಷ್ಟಾತ
ಸರ್ +1 ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡ 36.66 ಬರೋದು.
ಓಕೆ 36.66. ಓಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 37 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೋಬ್ಬರಿ ಐತಿ. 37 ಇಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಬೆಂಟಪ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 36 ಅರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು 38 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ಲ? ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈಗ 37 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಏರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಈ ಸಲ. ಶಾಣೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 38 ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡುನ. ವರ್ಷ ಮೇಡಮ್ ತಿಳಿಯಾದೈತು? ರಿತಿಕಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಿಮ್ದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಿದೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ? ರಿತಿಕಾ
Yes, sir.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್. ರಂಜನಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದು ಇನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್?
Sir, 37.
37. You increase it by 1 because we need to take even number 38. So out of 38, 19 are straight, 19 are cranked. Correct? How alpa? Out of 38, 19 are straight, 19 are cranked. Is that okay? Okay. No problem. Now coming to the final table. Yes. This is the table. Yes or no? Whatever you have calculated, no? 15 numbers 6.08, 15 numbers 6.15. These are straight bars, these are cranked bars. In the bottom 19 are 5.08, 19 are 5.15. Whatever you have calculated. Yes or no? Yes. So this is the unit weight. 5 square divided by 162. 5 square divided by 162. So that you can easily multiply these three things. You will get the fourth column quantities. So total is 336. Total is 336. Has anyone calculated the slab RCC quantity LBD? LBD, has anyone calculated? .4 into 4.4 into 0.5.
11.88.
5.4 into 4.4 into 0.5.
11.88.
11.88. Correct. 11.88. Correct? Yes.
ಸರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಇಡುತ್ತೀವಿ?
ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ
ಏನಂದ್ರೆ
ಅದು RCC ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಯು ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, RCC. ಸ್ಟೀಲದ್ ಮುಗಿತು ಇದ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ.
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸರ್?
Outer to outer dimensions of the room 5 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 5.4 ಆ ಕಡೆ 4 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 4.4 L ಮತ್ತು B ಸಿಕ್ತ. ಡೆಪ್ತ್ 0.15 ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಲೆಂತ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೆಪ್ತ್ 5.4 into 4.4 into 0.5. How much? 11.88.
11.8.
11.88. Okay na? In this problem, can you see here?
सर सर एक डाउट है
बोलो, पूछो.
सर. अभी स्टील क्वांटिटी निकाले, उसमें अभी आरसीसी क्वांटिटी भी निकाले.
हाँ.
सर एग्जैक्ट आरसीसी क्वांटिटी स्टील क्वांटिटी माइनस करने से मिलता है ना?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ
हाँ?
नहीं. वो इतना ही बार्स के लिए कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है यार. जो तुम बोल रहे है वो बड़े पैमाने पे आरसीसी डाल रहा है तो तब तुमको मिलता है. ये तो ग्रॉस क्वांटिटी ऑफ स्टील जो तुम बोल रहे हो वो करेक्ट है, वो भी करेक्ट है, ऐसा कुछ बात नहीं है. मगर फॉर द नॉर्मल कैलकुलेशन यू टेक दिस मच ओनली, L into B into D only. इसका वॉल्यूम. हेलो ऋषिकेश पापा.
ओके सर.
नो प्रॉब्लम. उतना डिटेल
हाँ,
में
सर.
नहीं जाना, उतना डिटेल में
हाँ,
नहीं.
सर.
अभी
हाँ,
इसका
सर.
वॉल्यूम कैसे फाइंड आउट करेगा? पाई आर स्क्वायर वो करना पड़ेगा, फिर बाद में इसका वॉल्यूम उतना निकालना पड़ेगा, वो टीडीएस. ठीक है.
यस सर.
Okay. Here in this problem, can you see here? One-way slab. This is a one-way slab. Okay. Only main bars have been bent up. Other direction, 8 mm bars are there. No. This is the distribution bars. 8 mm bars are not bent. They are directly because it is a one-way slab. Okay. So the shorter direction is there. No. So alternate bars are cranked here. 12 mm bars are there. No. 12 mm bars at 120 mm center to center are there. So in that, one bar is straight, another bar is cranked because it is a main bar, and the main bars are run in shorter direction. 8 mm bars are run in longer direction. Now from the diagram spacing, they have given 120 for 12 mm main bar, 200 mm for 8 mm for distribution. Okay na? Thickness of the slab 120, 230 is given. Now here only you can calculate. Just I will tell. Length of the straight bar. How to calculate? 3 plus 0.23 plus 0.23 minus 25. This straight bent up is there, no? Plus 50. If they have not given, you can directly take 50. Assume hooks of 50. This one. How much?
3.51, sir.
Very good, correct. 3.51. To the same thing, you need to add 0.42D, 0.42D, same procedure. 0.42D, 0.42D. Here only they have added. So how to get this one? D, rectangle, 2 bars. Depth of the bar is 120. 120 minus cover 25 here, and minus half of the dia 12, Yes. 120 minus 25 minus 25 minus 6 minus 6. D. 58 is the correct answer. That is the small d. So 0.42D, you add to the previous length, 3.51.
$3.55.
3.55 ಅಲ್ಲ 3.58 ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡು.
ಸರ್ 3.559 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ 3.559. ಓಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ? ಈ ಥರ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ದು ಮೇನ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ರನ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾವ, ಹೌದಾ? ಮೇನ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಈ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ನಿಮ್ದು? ಈ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇಂಟು ಇನ್ 7 ಅದ, ಆ ವಾಲ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ? 230 ಅದ. ಸೊ ವಾಲ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? 230 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕವರ್, -25 ಆಗಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು 7 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಈ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ದಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡಿ. 3 ಬದ್ಲಿ 7 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇವ ಮೇನ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಮೇನ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. 7 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.23 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.23 -25 ಎಷ್ಟಾತ್ಪ?
7.41.
ಆ 7.41 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7410 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 120 ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಂಗ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ?
61.75.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
62.75.
62.75 ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ? 64 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮುಗಿ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗ 64 ಒಳಗ 32 ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್, ಎನದರ್ 32 ಆರ್ ಬೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್. ಇದನ್ನಿಷ್ಟು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. 64 ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ 32 ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್, 32 ಆರ್ ಬೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್. ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಾರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇದನ್ನ 7 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. 7 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.23 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.23 ಮೈನಸ್ 25 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 50 ಸಿಂಪಲ್. 7 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.23 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.23 minus 0.25 minus 0.25 plus 50 simple.
7.46.
7.46 or 7.51 no?
7.51 sir.
7.56 sir.
7.51 is the correct answer. 7.51 is the correct answer. Okay, number of bars ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. 3 plus 0.23 plus 0.23 minus 25 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತದ?
$3.41.
3.41 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3410 divided by spacing of the 8 mm bar is 200 ಐತೆ. ಇದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಿದೆ? 14.75 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ,
15.7
ಅಂದ್ರೆ 16. ಹೌದಾ? 16. ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಮುಗಿತದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದನ್ನ ಟೇಬಲ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಯಾರ, ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದದ. 12 mm ಮೇನ್ ಬಾರ್, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಬಾರ್, ಬೆಂಟಪ್ ಬಾರ್. ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ 32, ಬೆಂಟಪ್ 32. ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂಕಿ ಗೊತ್ತದ 3.51 3.56. ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 16 ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಅದ, 7.51 ಅದ. ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ವಿತ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೇಟ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ವಾಟ್? kgs. You will get the kgs. Okay. Everyone has got the same answer?
Yes sir.
Okay. Okay. Now in this problem, next one is this one. Column with footing is there. Column with footing. ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಸಂದೇಶ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ, ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸೈಡಿಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫುಟಿಂಗ್, ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫುಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? 3 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಇನ್ ಅನದರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ 2.5 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದೊಳಗದ 2.5 ಐತಿ, ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದೊಳಗ 2.5 ಐತಿ. ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಪ್ಪ? 300 mm ಆರ್ 0.3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಾರ್ಸ್, ಫುಟಿಂಗ್ ದೊಳಗು ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾವ. 12 mm ಡಯಾ at 250 mm center to center in shorter direction, 10 mm ಡಯಾ at 200 mm center to center in longer direction. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ನಮೂನಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 10 mm at 200 in one direction, ಇವು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಾಟ್ಸ್ ತೋರ್ಸಾರಲ್ಲ 12 mm in 250 ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಮುಂದೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಹೆಂಗದಪ್ಪ? ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾಲಮ್ 250 by 300 ಅದ. ಔಟರ್ ಟು ಔಟರ್ 350 by 250 by 300 ಅದ. ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕಿಂತ ಮೇಲೆ 3 ಮೀಟರ್ ಐತಿ. ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕಿಂತ ಮೇಲೆ 3 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಬಿಲೋ 0.7 ಅದ. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಕಿಂತ ಕೆಳಗ 0.7 ಅದ. ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಳ್ಳಿ 0.3 ಐತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅದು ಫುಟಿಂಗ್ ಅದ. ಫುಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 3 + 0.7, 3 + 0.7 ಫಾರ್ RCC. ಸ್ಟೀಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಟ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಂತ್. ಕಾಲಮ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟದಪ್ಪ? 16 mm ಡಯಾ 4 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. 16 mm ಡಯಾ 4 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಇದು ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಟೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟದಾವ? ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಟೈಸ್ 8 mm ಡಯಾ 250 mm ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಟರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 8 mm ಡಯಾ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ 8 mm ಡಯಾ 250 mm ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಟರ್. ನಾವು RCC ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಫುಟಿಂಗದ್ದು ಏನದ? ಲೆಂತ್, ವಿಡ್ತ್, ಡೆಪ್ತ್. ಲೆಂತ್ ಈಸ್ 3, ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ 2.5, ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ 0.3. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ 2.25. ಕಾಲಮ್ಗೆ ಏನದ? ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 0.25 into 0.3. 0.25 into 0.3. The total depth of the column is 3.7. 3 plus 0.7. So that is 0.28. So your answer is 2.5. 2.5. Okay. Now coming to this ಫುಟಿಂಗ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಈಗ ಲಾಂಗರ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾವ? ಲಾಂಗರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದೊಳಗೆ 3 ಮೀಟರ್ ಐತಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಇದನ್ನ 250 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುದು. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ 250 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುದು. ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡುನಂತೆ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡುನಂತ. ಈಗ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋರಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈಗ ಈ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಿ? ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾರ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಿ? 3000, that is the length, minus this 50, minus this 50, minus this 50, minus this 50, plus this, plus this, plus this. ಈಗ ಇದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಂತೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಇದು?
ಸರ್ 200.
ಇದು 200 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 300 ಇದು 50 ತೆಗಿದೆ, ಇದು 50 ತೆಗಿದೇನೆ ಇದು.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ 200. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 3000 minus 50 minus 50 plus 200 plus 200. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
3.1.
3.3 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡು.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. 3.3.
3.3
sir.
Yes sir, 3.3.
ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈಗ ಈ ಬಾರ್ಸದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾವ? ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದೊಳಗಿಂದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟದಪ್ಪ? ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 2500 ಐತಿ. 2500 ಕವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಆ ಕಡೆ 2 times 25 -25 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತದು?
$2.45.
2.45 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2450 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ ಇದು 250 ಅದಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ 250 ಅದ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸಿಂಗ್
9.6.
9.8.
9.8.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10.8 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಸರ್.
ಏನ
ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10.8 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಸರ್.
ಅದೇ 10.8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 11 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನ 10.8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 11 ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. 11 ಇಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮಾಡಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ is 3.3, number is 11. You remember this point. Okay, you remember this point. Similarly, in other direction, ಈ 3 ಬದಲಿ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ 2500 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. 2500. Now 2500 minus 50 plus 200. How much?
$2.8, sir.
Very good. 2.85.
2.8 sir.
2.85 ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಲ್ಲ. $2.85. Okay, 2.85 is the correct answer. Length. ಈಗ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತಾರ? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್
85 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸರ್?
2500 minus 50 plus 200 plus 200 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
2.8 ಬರತ್ತೆ.
2.8 ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
2.8.
ಓಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ರಿ 2.8 ಬರ್ರಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಈಗ
200 ಬರೋದಿಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್, 150 ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ.
ಹೆಂಗ 150 ಅಂತೆ?
ಸರ್ ಸೈಜ್ 250 ಇರ್ತದಲ್ರಿ.
ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫುಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲಿ. 300 ಮ್ಯಾಲಿನ್ 50 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು 200. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು 200 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳತ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೈನರ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ. In some cases they will be giving. Okay, no, don't worry. Okay na? So spacing, how to calculate the spacing? You have to take the other direction. 3000 minus 2 times cover is 100. Okay, divided by its spacing is 200 plus 1. How many bars will come?
15.75.
Around 16 bars will come. 16 bars. 2.8 length over 16 bars. Correct. 2.8 length, 16 bars. Okay. Now this is a footing. Column again. See here. First outer to outer I will take 3 plus 0.7. Okay na? Plus 0.3. Correct. Yes or no? 3 plus 0.7 plus 0.3. Correct. Minus 0.5. Sorry, you take cover as how much you will take cover? 50 mm you take the cover. Okay na? So cover minus 50. Outer to outer minus 50 is the cover. How much?
$3.9.
3.9 plus this horizontal projection 300. Horizontal projection. 4.2.
4.2.
Correct. 4.2 is the correct answer. 4.2 is the correct answer. Very good. Now calculate the number of ties, Baba. Number of ties, very, very simple. So I will give you A and B. A and B is very, very simple, na? A and B. This A, this B. A, how to calculate? 300 minus 40 minus 40 minus 8.
212.
300.
212, sir.
212. In another direction, 250 minus 40 minus 40 minus 8.
162, sir.
162.
162, correct. So now 2 times A plus B, 2 times A plus B plus 2 into 75. 2 into 75. Or
898.
898, correct? Correct. 75 is the hook length that you do like this, no? This one. That is the 75. So 175, another 75. Assumption, or otherwise you can go for that 24.5. No problem. Okay, na? So how much is that? 0.898. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
For other, 0.898 is the one stirrup length. Number of links. This total length minus this cover. So that is 3 plus 0.7 plus 0.3 minus 50 minus 50. How much? How much?
3,900.
3,900 divided by its spacing, 250.
15.2.
15.2, 16.6 plus 1. Sorry, 15.6 plus 1.
16.6.
Very good. That's all. That is the correct answer. Okay, na? Can you see here? They have written like this. Okay. So whatever you have calculated, no, along the shorter direction, along the longer direction, you have calculated 11 and 6. You have also calculated 3.3, 2.85. Just now you have calculated length as 0.898. Just now you have calculated the stirrup numbers. Vertical bars 4 and their length is 4.2. So all these things they have calculated. They have written the units weight. Okay, na? And they have calculated this weights. They have calculated this weights. Is that okay?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. So in this next problem, steel quantity. What is the steel quantity to be calculated? Size of the column they have given 1.5 by 1.5 in plane. Okay, size of the column footing. It's a footing. It's a pure square. Okay. Steel provided will be 150 mm in both direction. 150 mm in 10 mm at 150 mm center to center in both direction. Column cross section 300 by 600. How many bars? 4 bars of 20 mm and 4 bars of 16 mm. Ties 2-legged 8 mm at 100 mm. 2-legged at 8 mm, 100 mm. So as usual, length. Calculate, no? This is 1500 slab. Everyone audible? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Audible, huh? Audible. Okay. Same as previous problem, no? Yes or no? Yes, sir, no, sir. Yes, sir, or no, sir? Sandesh?
Sir, question ಓದಿಲ್ರಿ sir.
Everyone try to understand here. Previous problem, this problem is same, but it is simpler than this problem. Why? Their number of bars were different, and spacing was also different, and footing size is also different. Okay, na? But in this case, they have given square footing and both bars in the same direction. Okay, na? And also they have given column bars. In one step, they have calculated. See here. 1500, that is the width of the footing, okay, minus two sides cover plus that hook length. So answer is simple, 1.8 meter directly they have given. That is 1.8 meter in all direction. 1.8 meter in all direction. Okay, now number of bars, same thing. That distance minus 2 times cover divided by spacing plus 1, 11 numbers. Directly they have calculated. No need to take down this problem. I'm just explaining. Later on you can copy. Okay, now column bars. So the total height is how much? 5 meter. Okay. Total height is 5 meter. That is also not the where they have given height of the column directly they have given 5 meter. Okay, 5 meter plus depth of the footing directly they have multiplied. Depth of the footing directly they have given. 5 meter is the height of the column. That bent up is there, no, like this bent up. So that they have added here. That they have added. So 5.3 they are getting. Okay, na? This is an incomplete data because there is no diagram here. On the basis of assumption they are doing, but which is similar to the previous problem. Okay, na? So the in this one, ties also calculation is same thing. A, B they have calculated and hook length is also calculated. You can directly write down the length 1.6. 1.6. Same, no problem. No need to solve this one. It's very simple. We'll go to this next problem. We'll go to the next problem. Okay. So it is okay, no? This problem. Everyone, which is same as the previous problem, which is okay or not okay, Baba?
Yes, sir, it is okay. Sir.
It's okay, no? Sneha, Varsha, Sanju, Shiv Kumar, Vidyashri, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Prerana,
Sir.
Rohit, ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ ಏನಾರ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕುಂದ್ರಾಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಅದು ಸೇಮ್, ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದ, ಡಾಟಾನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಫುಟಿಂಗ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, 22 ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಅದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈಗ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಟ್ರೆಪಿಸಾಯ್ಡಲ್ ಫುಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವ್ರು. ಟ್ರೆಪಿಸಾಯ್ಡಲ್ ಫುಟಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ RCC ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫುಟಿಂಗ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 300 by 300, ಎಸ್. Square footing,
Yes, sir.
Square footing 1200 by 1200, because it is not at all mentioned in other direction. That means it is a square. That means it is a compulsory square. Okay, na? In both direction, 12 mm dia, 120 mm center to center. 12 mm dia, 120 center to center. Okay, na? Clear cover 40 for column as well as other this one. Okay, na? See here, trapezoidal 150 it is there. This distance, this portion, this gap. The gap between this column and the PCC, that RCC is there, no? That is 150. The total footing is 1200 and column footing will be 1200 minus 150 minus 150. You remember that point. That means it will be 900. It will be 900 mm. I hope it is clear now. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now see here. How to calculate the bars? How to calculate the bars here? How to calculate the bars here? Now, in both direction, footing reinforcement is the same. I hope now everyone is listening to me. Please, once again, please say yes or no if you are understanding my voice and my lecture.
Yes, sir.
Only 2 persons have said yes, sir. Others are not understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Salahuddin, Shivkumar, Varsha.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, now see here. 1 bar length. How to calculate 1 bar length in footing? 1200. This is 1200 minus 150 minus 150. Correct? And minus 50 minus 50. Correct? Yes or no? And plus 50 plus 50. This vertical projection. Plus 50 plus 50. How much?
900, sir.
900 is the correct answer. 1200 minus 150 minus 150 minus 50 minus 50 plus 50 plus 50. It is 900 mm. Correct? Number of bars in both directions it is same. 1200, okay, minus 150 minus 150 minus 50 minus 50. What is the distance?
Eight hundred.
800.
800.
800 divided by spacing 120. 800 divided by spacing 120.
6.67.
6.66.
Plus 1.
1.6.
7.6.
7.67 is the correct answer. So round it to 8. Round it to 8. So in one direction, 8 numbers are there. Because it is a square column, because it is a square footing, the number of bars on other side are also same. So 8 plus 8, it is 60. Total bars in the footing in longer direction plus shorter direction, when you add, that will be your 60. That will be your 16. Is that okay? Okay. Yes. Now come to this 1 bar length in this one. How much is the total height? Just here only you can add. I will show. 450 plus 3000 plus 600 plus 600 plus 150 minus 50 minus 50 plus 300.
5,000, sir.
5000 is the correct answer. 5000 is the correct answer. Correct? Everyone is getting same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming back to this point. Stirrups. To calculate the stirrups, you have the formula 2a plus b, 2 of a plus b, okay, plus 2 into 75, plus 2 into 75, okay na? So a plus b, a is how much? 3800 minus 40 minus 40 minus 8 by 2 minus 8 by 2.
2 and 2.
2 and 2. That 2 and 2 is the same in this direction as well as this direction. So A and B are 2 and 2 only. A and B are 2 and 2 only. No problem. Okay. So what is the stirrup length?
998, sir.
998 is the correct answer. 998 is the correct answer. So how much was this vertical distance? We need to calculate the number of stirrups. Now, how much this vertical distance? Minus cover, minus cover.
4,700.
4700 divided by spacing 250.
17.8.
17.8 plus 1.
18.8.
18.8, that means 19. That means it is 19. Correct answer. Okay, na? Correct answer. Now, in the table format. In the table format. Footing ದೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ವಪ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮ 16 ಇದ್ವಾ 8 + 8 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅದರ ಲೆಂತ್ 0.9 ಬಂತ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ವೇಟ್ ಪರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ. ಕಾಲಮ್ ದೊಳಗೆ 4 ಬಾರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ವು ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 20 mm ಡಯಾ. ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ 5 meter ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ಲಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತ 19 numbers ಬಂದು ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟಿರಪ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 0.9. all if you multiply you will get the this distance, this weights, you get the this weights. Okay. Yes. Last step, quantity of concrete. Last step, quantity concrete. Square portion of the column. How to get square portion of the column? This one, this bottom 900 ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾಲಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 900 ಅದಲ್ಲ ಇದು. 900 by 900 into 0.15. that is first square portion.
0.12.
0.12. Now to calculate this trapezium, to calculate this trapezial portion, there is a formula. A1 is the bottom area of the trapezium. A2 is the top area of the trapezium. AM is the mean area of the trapezium. A1 the area ಏನು ಬರ್ತದಪ್ಪ 900 by 900 ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? Because it is the bottom of the trapezium. Correct?
Yes sir.
900 by 900, that is 0.9 by 0.9. Okay na? Top ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ? ಕಾಲಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಏನದ? ಕಾಲಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ is 0.3 by 0.3. A1 is 0.9 by 0.9. A2 is 0.3 by 0.3. AM, that is the mean area of the trapezium, is A1 plus A2 divided by 2. A1 plus A2 divided by 2. Correct? Yes or no? Everyone, can you say yes or no something?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now you got A1, you got A2, you got AM. H is how much? Height of the trapezium. Can anyone tell me? Height of the trapezium.
600.
600 mm. 600 mm is the correct answer. 600 mm is the correct answer. Okay na? So now formula. How is that formula? For calculation of trapezium, this is the formula. Where is that? This is the formula. The trapezial portion is h by 6 into A1 plus A2 plus 4AM. A1 plus A2 plus 4AM. Correct? So once you substitute the values, how much you are going to get? Can you calculate? You know H, you know A1, you know A2, you know 4AM. How much you are going to get?
फॉर्मूला दिखाओ.
फॉर्मूला चाहिए?
अच्छा.
हाँ ये देखो.
.27.
हाँ
0.27.
0.27 correct. So total quantity of footing 0.122, that rectangle portion, trapezium portion 0.27, total is 0.392. Correct. 0.392 is the correct. Very good. Okay. For column, very simple. Column is very simple. Cross section 0.3 by 0.3. Height, how much is the height? From the diagram, you can tell me height.
600.
Height of the column. Total height of the column.
plus 600.
600.
0.6 meter.
Illo, total height of the column.
0.8.
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತು? 3.6 ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
3.6.
ಹಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟಪ್ಪ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಮೇಲೆ ಫುಲ್ ಟೋಟಲ್
3.6.
3.6. Okay. So that 3.6 into cross section. Do it. Three 3.6 into cross section.
0.324.
Okay,
0.3.
0.324. So 0.324 is the column concrete. 0.392 is the footing concrete. You add both, so you will get what?
0.716.
That is the total concrete. That is the total concrete. That is the total concrete. Okay, this completes the steel calculation problems. Okay, now another 2 problems are there. We will take it in the next class. When we are going to take next class? When we will take? Tomorrow? Is it possible?
No sir, no sir.
Tomorrow you don't? Huh?
No sir, tomorrow no.
Okay, we will take it on Monday.
Yes sir.
Monday another 2 problems will be there. So that means module 1 is completed.
Okay sir.
We have solved so many problems. So in another 2 problems, in that also 1 problem sir has to solve. Shritesh sir, correct? So Shritesh sir, that solved problem. On that day I was not taking the class, no? So that one. Yes. Yes. Anyone wants to tell something?
No sir.
How many people are left? Almost all people are gone now. Only Rishikesh is there, Salahuddin, Sandesh is there, Shivkumar, Varsha, Chauhan, Prerana. Only these people are left. Okay, no problem.
Sir,
Okay.
notes, sir, notes.
Notes ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಹೇಳು, ನೀನೇ ಹೇಳು.
Sir, ಇದೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ PDF ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಇದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ PDF ಬೇಕಾ?
हाँ सर, ये अभी सारे वो दे दो सर.
हाँ, वो मिलने से क्या कैसे वो कंपलसरी चाहिए क्या?
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ರಿ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ.
रेफर करने को आता है सर.
रेफर करने के लिए. ओके. ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಹಲೋ ಸಂದೇಶ, ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ? PDF ಒಂದು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಬೋದು?
ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ओके.
रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस निकाल के रखे क्या सर?
रिपीटेड मतलब कौन से एग्जाम में से?
हाँ,
एग्जाम में सिर्फ 2 ही क्वेश्चन पेपर आया है यार तुम्हारा.
अच्छा ठीक है.
इसके पहले नहीं है, 2 ही क्वेश्चन पेपर है.
Okay, sir.
और 2 प्रॉब्लम्स किया तो मॉड्यूल 1 कंप्लीटेड. बेरे साथ ओके. We will close the session now. Okay. You can leave.
Okay sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.